Alright, this is the training video for the Neutrogena POG update. The materials that you're going to need are a tape measure, the planogram, which is store specific. You'll need to work with the store to print the cosmetic labels for the 5 new items that are listed in the bulletin as well as in the planogram. And the store should receive a FedEx envelope, which is going to be part number 3127400. In this packet is going to be the graphics, which you're going to be updating, as well as the planogram, which is going to include all the planograms for the stores. So make sure that you have your store-specific planogram, otherwise you'll have to verify which planogram you have, which there's a lot of paperwork here. The first step is you're going to remove the 2 items that have been discontinued. And this is in the bulletin. And then referring to the planogram, you want to go ahead and move the items into the new order. Basically what this is going to do is this is going to free up this section. Just make sure that you put them back into the right order according to the planogram. See the 50 and the 80 come out, which is part number 723600 and 723605. You'll give these to the store manager to process, and those are going to be returned. Go ahead and take the labels off. Okay, now that I have the items in the new order per the planogram, I'm going to go ahead and remove the mini shade strip. And if I go ahead and open my graphic package, included is the loose powder, which is this one right here. Alright, once you've done that, you want to go ahead and remove the shade strip and insert the new one. Go ahead and remove this label because this is to a deleted product. And then we can go on to the next section. Alright, the next step is this whole entire tray is going to pop out. We can set that aside. We're going to shift the graphic down below. And you want to make sure that you space them where customers can still shop the area. And you can see on the back there's just 3 little hooks where these slide in to the back to secure. I can still access for a customer. I'm going to go ahead and shift the other ones down as well. Step is to verify that this tray is in the right order per the planogram. So I'll verify the 4 numbers here to make sure that they are correct. And then I'm going to move the next tray down. And again, be mindful of your spacing. The next step is to update the graphics panel. This just pops out. Okay. You're going to put the tray that was second from the bottom, you're going to put it back in. Referring to the planogram, you go ahead and put the new items labels on. The other items tags are going to come from above. Let's go ahead and remove those. Go ahead and remove the mini shade strip. Which in this case it was actually adhered to the fixture. Now we're going to do the same thing for the tray above. And again replace the shade graphic. Alright, and reset to the planogram. In this case, the new items have not come in yet. And go ahead and verify everything's set to planogram, and you can move to the next step. Alright, then we're going to remove the makeup remover towelettes. And we're going to remove a small little fixture cover over the peg holes. And you can use the existing pegs if you need to move them over. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and take one of these out, and they just pop up. I can slide this over. Have my single facing. I want to pull my label off. Place the product label over for the CVS wipes. And we can reset this to the new planogram. And you may need to add peg hooks if you don't have enough counts. We're actually going to have 6 items here. And you can see I don't have enough peg hooks, so this is where the extra is going to come in handy. And go ahead and set it to the new planogram. Going to space my peg hooks out so that I have my new 6 facings. And go ahead, I'm going to add my 2 new items. Place the graphic. To complete the set. Next we're going to go ahead and make sure that the shelf talker is ADA compliant. It needs to be in between 48 and 27 inches. In this case this is at 58. So I need to go ahead and move it. And then go ahead and remeasure. Make sure that it is correct. And now it's at 36. Here's the completed update. If you do get to a store and they have not received the graphics, make sure that you proceed. Go ahead and do the planogram update. Adjust for the new items, put the new item tags, and the store will place the graphics once received.